Welcome to a brand new tutorial on how to do a fade for men easily at home with the Kyone Vintage Zero Trimmer, the Kyone Ultima Clipper, the Kyone Zero Foil Shaver, as well as the high-grade cutting scissors and thinning scissors from Solid Cause. So, get your friend or partner on a stool and breeze through a quality fade with this easy tutorial from Clip Hammer. For the first part of the fade, we'll be starting off with the Kyone Vintage Zero, with a battery that will never let you down, and most importantly, the adjustable zero blade, which is what we'll be using for this tutorial. Cut carefully around the lower parts of your subject's hair, starting at the sideburns, as shown here. Work your way around the head, along the same hairline as we're demonstrating here. Take your time, be confident and precise. The Vintage Zero Trimmer's precision will ensure that your work is always clean. Once you're done cleaning up around the neck and ears, pack the trimmer up. You're ready for the next step. A large part of this tutorial will involve the incredible Kyone Ultima Clipper with 6 magnetic clip combos and the perfect fade blade for the perfect fade. You're locked and loaded and ready to proceed. Pick out the 30mm magnetic comb and fit it onto your clipper. Glide your clipper over the hair as shown here, with the comb easily ensuring that you only cut what you're supposed to. You have nothing to worry about in terms of how much you shave off. Once you're done all around, it's time to move on to the 10mm comb. Work around the head once again, slowly progressing upwards. Shave the hair off with confident movements and let the Ultima Clipper work its precision magic. Once you're confident of your work so far, remove the current comb and move on to the 6mm. Start at the bottom and clean everything up while slowly progressing upwards towards the separated hairline. Repeat similar to previous times, with the only difference being moving a bit higher than usual to get more progression on the fade. Once you're done with the 6mm, it's time to proceed to the 1.5mm comb. You can always skip a comb if you need to, depending on the type of fade you want. Work around the hair as shown here and deepen your fade using the 1.5mm comb on your clipper. Note how your perfect fade is slowly starting to materialize as you glide effortlessly through the hair. Once you're satisfied and your subject's hair looks similar to our model, it's time to move on. Take off the comb and note the adjustment lever on the left side of your clipper, positioned perfectly to allow your thumb easy access. Work across your subject, adjusting the lever as you go, from 3.5 to 0.5. especially around the bottom of the fade where you want to be at 0. Once you're done, give your Ultima Clipper a break. Its work with this fade is now done. It's time to move on to the next part. Your fade is only as good as the final touches you give to the hair on top, and that's where the Solid Cause cutting scissors come in. These incredible scissors are handmade, of Swedish design, built to be the perfect fit for any type of finger, ergonomic to the point of feeling like an extension of your hand. With precision adjusting available to ensure the scissors move perfectly, the scissors make the next part of your tutorial an absolute breeze. Grasp the hair in the manner shown here, using a comb to assist you. Be patient and work through the length bit by bit rather than going low on your first try. How short you want your top to be is completely up to you, but ensure that there is more than enough length on top to give definition to your fade. Work through the rest of your hair in the manner shown. Once done, it's time for the next step. It's time to move on to the solid cost thinning scissors. These incredible scissors boast all the qualities of the cutting scissors with the addition of 32 teeth, enabling the most precise soft finish you could want while working with hair. With these in hand, work through the areas of your hair you've already cut, similar to the way we're demonstrating here. Always remember to take care not to cut too much hair if the hair is wet. The thinning scissor is always best used on dry hair. Thin the hair and give it the perfect finish. It's time for the final part of this tutorial. The Kyone Zero Fall Shaver is your go-to for the perfect finish, and as the name implies, this piece of quality equipment will ensure you bring the lower end of your fade to an absolute zero, perfecting your fade. So grab that zero fall shaver and work through the lower ends of your fade. And once you're done, you have effectively completed your fade. Grab some hair gel or wax and style your hair to your preference, and you're done! Head over to our website and grab the Kyone Vintage Zero Ultimate Clipper, Zero Fall Shaver, as well as the solid cost cutting and thinning scissors today and try your own fade out. Grab a picture and make sure to tag us on your socials. Make sure to follow us for more incredible tutorials like this.